Hi everyone, welcome to Datascene. In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup. In this channel, we have learned the VLOOKUP formula before. If you like to watch the video, you can find it on the video card. As we learned, we use the VLOOKUP formula if we have only one criteria to look for. But what if the criteria you are looking for aren't in a single column? For example, in this table, we want to find the sales quantity by both employee name and city. The classic VLOOKUP will give an error here because there is more than one same employee name in the table. So we need to make it specify according to city. For example, we have 3 Emily, 1, 2, and 3 here, and the cities are different. So today I will show you how to solve this problem by using Xlookup. So what we need to do is first go to the cell and then type Xlookup. In the first part, combine the criteria you are looking for. So we want to, our lookup values are A7 and B7. Don't forget to put the sign. And after that, choose the lookup array. So our lookup arrays are employee name and city. So that's why I'm choosing the employee name and I put the sign, and after that I'm choosing the city. Then type the comma, and the last part, select the sales quantity column you want to retrieve. So the sales quantity is here, and then close the parentheses. So then you will see the results. And when we change the criteria, for example, when we change the city as not Chicago, or maybe if we make this Boston, you will see the new results. So that's how easy to search by multiple criteria in Excel. And you can also download this dataset in the video from the link in the description, and you can try it yourself. Don't forget to like the video and follow me so you don't miss out one of these kind of Excel tips. See you in the next video.